Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you or explaining to you how you can fix any issues you might be having with Klarna and it failing to actually purchase anything. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, the main problem you might have is an invalid card. Make sure that you have a valid card which you are using to pay. Cards are or rather in-store purchase virtual cards are limited to 24 hours. However, some connected cards might expire or be blocked or frozen, so make sure that you check your cards. You can tap in purchases, select the order, and then change a card, which will then tell you if you can purchase it or not. It might be a technical error as well. And yeah, if it is a technical error, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. You need to clear the cookies in your browser. Also, make sure to clear the cache memory from either your browser or your mobile app. From your device, make sure that you are not using a limited network, such as a work connection or a local area connection, and make sure that you have sufficient funds to cover the payment. Now you also need to make sure that you pass two-factor authentication. I don't think I need to explain what that is to you guys. You need to make sure that you have the money which is needed to pay. And yeah, those are some solutions that are listed here on the official Klarna site. I hope it helped you guys and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.